Hello everybody, welcome back to all the mod Gravitas 2. So last episode, right? We finished setting up the what is it called? Oh my god, the lag when it came here. Okay, so this is the LV miner, right? The basic miner. Oh, it's done now. So this is what it's like. It give out. It's actually pretty fast because it's 8 seconds, even though the radius is like double. But the action is 8 seconds, so it's actually quite fast. I've already mined this off of this chunk over here, and we're just gonna set up for these two as well. And maybe after that, I actually don't even know what do we want, because right now we're using this here because we need cassiterite and like tin and copper. One thing with the like copper is fine, but for tin, one thing with Terrafirma Craft tin is that it's impossible to like. It's like near import. It's actually way more annoying to get a lot of compared to like kaolin or graphite. Like kaolin and graphite, once you have the LV prospector, it's literally like almost everywhere. But for the cassiterite, if you read in the book right here, it's literally only spawn at y equal 80 or above. So like most of the area we have discovered, they are all like 70-ish, and below that like 70, 60, we barely found any like 80 and above. Like only here is like where the 80 and above is, which is where like we found the cassiterite early on. But then all of this stuff over here is like barely any, so I haven't had any luck in finding cassiterite at all. So we have to rely on the GregTech cassiterite, which is always better, but yeah. This thing is done already. And I believe, yeah, this is like the new setup. So instead of 3 solid boiler, I put 2 or only. And because even with 2, like the 3 is like overkill, and it's literally like wasting a lot of steam due to like full, right? Like if the steam solid boiler is full, then it's just gonna void out like 4,000 millibucket into the void, and you lose that 4,000. That's why I put like a bunch of drum over here to buffer it and to not waste the steam. And even with 3 drum, like this is 128 millibucket, 1,000 millibucket by the way, 128 bucket. Even with that and only 2 boiler, it's still wasting a bit of steam. So I guess I'm gonna put like 3 more over here. 3 more aluminium drum, 2 or 3 more, so we don't waste it, because this stuff we can move it. Like, it doesn't matter if it's expensive right now, because this stuff we can move it like this, and you can always just like bring it around, and you actually never waste any steam at all. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do that in between episode, but in this one I want to improve our processing over here. Let me eat first. Man up. I've only been eating pumpkin for like so long because I don't have time to prepare other food. So for this setup over here, it's working fine, right? It's working pretty pretty good. It's like no stuck, no like clog up or anything. But one thing I don't like is that it's taking forever. It's like one action of this is 20 seconds and one action of this is 20 seconds. So you're waiting 20 seconds for one ingot to like one raw ore to process, which is gonna take forever. The forge hammer is fine because it's only take a 0.5 second, I think. But this too is what bother like necking us from basically like processing all of this. Like this is the same barrel, a drawer that as like two, I think in like the 2 previous episode, it's still here because it's not even finished yet. We still have like 300 mica and pollucite, almost 400 pollucite, and I don't know when it's gonna finish. And we still have like this stuff over here, the iron, and then a bunch of other stuff, and we still haven't even do anything with copper and tin as well. So that's why into the episode I want to upgrade them into the MV tier. I believe every tier, like from LV to MV, it's gonna reduce the action in half, so it's gonna take 10 seconds only. It's not like fast, but it's still like twice as fast as the only half the speed, right? So that is like the goal of this episode. And I also, because I want like another set of ore washer and centrifuge without in a setup like this. So whenever we want to like maybe just fast processing something, we don't have to wait for this thing to finish. You can just have another set over here, just running it for like a bit, running for like a couple of minutes, and we get the output from that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start crafting right now. For these two ore washer and thermal centrifuge, the recipe is actually pretty cheap because I show you why. Over here we have 59 aluminum ingot. Like once we unlock electric blast furnace and you have enough steam to run it, you literally like producing aluminum like crazy. We have 74 dust over here, 74 aluminum dust still staying here, 59 already it turned into ingot, another 87 over here that's still staying in here because I turned this thing off, and another 20 I was just cooking up. So we have like a billion of them now. It's actually way easier to make than steel ingot, which is kind of ironic. So right now for the recipe, it's mostly just using aluminum. There's barely any steel in it, which is nice because I don't want to make a lot of steel. It's really annoying to make steel right now, since we can't really process iron effectively. So making steel is like really slow and painful, which is why this thing using aluminum ingot is way like it's so good for us. So in looking into the recipe for our washer first, right? Our washer first, it needs the 2 bronze rotor, 2 good electronic circuit, MV machine hall, copper, and the electric motor. A lot of this I've already kind of prepared a bit, and the rotor I think I already made a bit of it. Yeah, over here the 2 rotor, so I'm already made it. I haven't made the plate for the machine hall yet. So how many of this is 9, right? 9, so that is 18. We go here and put it in here. So that is the plate done. I think the iron I already have. Yeah, iron is over here. Also we need the rod for the rotor motor. So this is 1 ingot. So each of the motor is 1 aluminum ingot. And it's 3 of them. So we need 3 ingot into a latte. So it turns into rod. And copper. Okay. Copper here is 2, 2, and 2. 6 cable. Let me see, where is my rubber? Okay, here you go. Rubber, and then 6 copper. Okay, nice. Does this thing done? Yep, it's done. And we need 3 steel rod, magnetic steel rod for the motor. And unlike the iron one, the steel one, you need a polarizer to turn them into a steel rod. There's no other way. So that is also done. What else? Yeah, I need the machine hall. So is this thing done yet? Yep, this thing also done. And we need the copper cable. So I think we can make both of the machine hall now. So this thing, oh, I forgot my wrench. Okay, let's craft this thing. So that is machine hall 1, machine hall 2. And then 2 MV machine hall. And what's next? The motor, right? Motor is this thing. And we need more copper cable. And also one piece of glass. So let's wait for the copper cable. Come on. Okay. So the oil washer should be done now. So the motor. Oh yeah, we need cupron nickel wire. So how many is that? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that should be everything for the oil washer. Yep. There we go. And so the recipe is done. For this one, we need... Wait, what? Okay, we need 2 motor. So that is like 4 copper cable. And then 2 more outside. That is 6 also. And then 2 more from... No. So only 6. Okay. So another 6. Do we even have enough cupron nickel? Okay, we need 8 2x, right? 8 of these 2x. Oh, we don't even have enough, actually. Oh, wait, no. Do we have enough? Oh, we actually barely have enough. Okay. We barely have enough. Alright. Oof. I don't want to wait to make another batch of that. I think this thing is like, it's not hard to make, but I think it's pretty long, taking a long time. Actually, not really. I'll probably make a bunch of them in between episodes so we don't have to wait for them. So this should be the thermocentrifuge. So what is missing? These 2 of these. And there we go. Thermocentrifuge. So now we can stop this thing from running. Okay, let's finish first. Okay, let me stop this thing. And also stop this thing as well. Okay, stop inserting. Okay, let's wait a bit for it to finish running and then we can take this thing out. So it's done, right? And this thing also done. So we can replace this with a better thermocentrifuge. And put this back on. So this should be insert. And output here, it's output. Extract. Yeah, why does it not going in? Insert. Is it because it has the oh yeah, it's the output out there. So I put up there. There we go. So it going in. Actually, that's not a good idea. Because we need to process this thing first. Oh, right. I forgot the energy as well. Okay, never mind. Wait a minute. Oops. I think I think the generator is also pretty easy to make. So let's break this thing out first. Ooh, I forgot about generator. Okay, let's just make the generator first. Okay. So to make the generator, where is it? Do we have here? Okay, here we go. Ooh, another batch of this. I don't think we have enough. We need 2 generator. Actually, we only need 1 because this one also have here 1. I think I can borrow this. And I will make it in between episodes, so we only need 1. Bronze rotor. Man, okay, this is annoying. I didn't expect to have to make another one. Okay, I'm gonna prepare all of this ingredient and material, and I'll be right back when we have enough to craft the generator. Alright, so I just made like another 2 good electronic circuit and the MV machine hall. Oosh. Man, I always underestimate how annoying it is to make like this circuit thingy. Like there's so many small components that it's just a lot of micromanaging. So we want 2 of these. And I think, where's, okay, I don't have any. I think, how many steel is this? This is 3 each. Oh wait, maybe we don't even have enough. So this is 6. And then we need 1 for here. So 7. Do we even have enough though? Oh my god, we have barely enough for 1. Okay. I may have to borrow this one over here. So 1 of this thing go into the latte. And this 6 over here go into Ender. No, 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 no. Ah, come on, really. This one go here. I think you can extractor. Or, yeah, extractor. Fluid solidifier. Okay, thank god. I thought you cannot do that. Some recipe you cannot extract and then fluid solidify like that. So luckily we can. Oh, don't tell me we need a better one. Okay, that's dumb. All right, so well, I guess 1 ingot then, 1 or 2 ingot into this thing. Oh my god. Okay, 1, 2. Man, that's unlucky. Okay, so this thing is done. And we need to put this 2 into polarize. Oh, already made it. Nice. I outplay myself. Oh, anyway, we don't really have enough anyway, because it needs like 6 for this steel fluid pipe. It's not gonna be enough. So this one over here is gonna be 2 more. So 2 ingot here. Okay, 2 ingot only. We have a bunch of cupron nickel. 2 ingot into this one. And I think that's everything. And then copper cable. So 2 over here, 2 over here, and 1 over here. That's 5. What? Why is it? Okay. So 5 copper cable. Do we have enough rubber? Okay, yeah, we do have enough rubber. So 5 liquid rubber. Okay. And the only things left is the 1 ingot we need for the steel fluid pipe. Okay, there we go. And okay. And let's craft the fluid pipe. 2 of them. Okay, nice. And we need, yeah, we need a cable. And let's take this thing out. And I think that should be everything we need for the thing over here. So we need 8 of this. There we go. 2 electric motor MV tier. And that should be 1 of these advanced. Yep, there we go. But we have a bunch of leftover over here. I'll make the other one in between episode because, yeah, making steel ingot is just annoying. So let's go over here and put this out setup down. So this should be going in. This should run pretty decent. And I need to replace this one as well. Can you stop? Okay, let it just run finish first. Okay. And I can break it down. Let's go in here. Okay. Man, it's cramped in here. It's super cramped in here. So this is the MV machine. So I'll put it this way. I'll put that way. And okay, that's nice. And the water going on top. Not in this thing. Insert in here. The water in here. And output should be on outside here. So output is gonna be like that. Okay, yeah, nice. So it should be running now when this thing got reconnected. But I'm probably gonna put crush. Right, crush. Put all of it here first. And then replace the... Oh my god. Replace the pipe. Man, this is so cramped. Replace the pipe. So extract. And insert. There we go. Yep. There we go. So now it should be faster. What? Wait, what? Oh, is that need for... It needs... Yeah, it needs circuit 1. Okay, circuit 1. Man, I thought like... Why is it not working? So how... Okay, yeah, it's actually... Yep, exactly halfway. Like twice as fast. This thing should also work as well. Just don't know if the steam is enough. Or it's not enough. Is that because we don't have enough steam, or do we have... No, we have enough steam. We just don't have a good pipe. Okay, yeah, the pipe is not good enough. Oh my god. Pipe is not good enough. Man, I should have made a MV extractor as well. Okay, do we have any pipe? Good, better pipe? No, the normal is like... And I don't have enough chromium. Man, I need extractor because with the MV extractor we can extract this pipe back into ingot, and then we can, yeah, fluid solidifier them. Alright, that's kind of dumb. But yeah, I think that's pretty much the setup. I'm gonna move this to probably... I don't know. Maybe I'll move this setup over here. It's facing this way, facing like this two thing, this side over here and this side over here facing each other. And the pipe is just gonna, the fluid pipe is just gonna go around it like that. And this two is gonna be over here, so we can have access to them. This LV machine is probably just gonna be like backup, or like some fast craft that we need. We don't, like, when we don't need to like process a billion of these items like this. But yeah, I think this is probably for it for today's episode. I need to do a lot of like ingot processing, like making more steel, because yeah, we don't have any steel at all. And in the next one, I think I'll probably just make extractor in between episodes, because this is like only one machine and it's kinda just it's not really hard. Yeah, it's not that hard. It's the same thing. So I'm probably gonna make it in between episode, and next one, when I already move all of this to this side and so on and so forth, we can make, maybe start processing all of this like tin and copper and iron, and we can probably make the super tank in the next 1 or 2 episode, because that's like the main goal right now. Once we have the super tank, I actually don't even know. Probably just finish making the rest of the MV machine, and then we can finally getting into HV. Well, that's like my plan. I don't know what else in MV that we need. MV. Yeah, I don't know yet, because HV we need let me see. It's stainless steel, which is from alloy blast melter. Can we make it with the ingot? Yeah, we can also use it in electric blast furnace. And we can use a mixer, an MV mixer, to mix this stuff in together. Oh, we need manganese. Yeah, this thing has come from tungsten. Yeah, we do have, we have everything we need. We have all of this stuff for the manganese. It's not bad. It's not hard to get at all. It's easy. So yeah, we do have a bunch of this. yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna keep grinding off camera, and in the next episode we will make the rest of the MV machine. And after that, oh no, wait, making the super tank, and after that, making the rest of the MV machine. And maybe we will have one more episode to like setting things up for better automation. And after that episode, we can probably get into HV if I grind hard enough in between episode. And thank you for watching. Bye.